We're going to talk about finding missing numbers, missing symbols, and missing alligators. The first thing we need to do is look at the equation and figure out where the alligator is. It's very important. So we scan through number, symbol, number, symbol, number, and there's our alligator. So first step, we identify that alligator, and then we split the problem apart at that alligator. So I have two different parts to this problem. I have this side and I have this side. I don't mix and match them, I don't change them, I keep each side on each side. So after I find the alligator and split the problem apart at the alligator, then I do the side that I know. Now this side, 7 plus 5 minus 1, I can do all that. This side, 3 plus 7 plus something, I can't do all that. So I'm going to do the side that I know. 7 plus 5 is 12, minus 1 is 11. So that side equals 11. Then I bring down my alligator, and I'm going to simplify the side that I don't know. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus something. So 10 plus something equals 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. And I bring down my other side, bring down my alligator. 11 equals 11. So that proves that my missing part up here, my missing number, is 1. And I can go back through it and I can check it out, check it over. 7 plus 5 is 12, minus 1 is 11. This side does equal 11. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 1 is 11. This side equals 11 as well. Now on to my next one. Same exact thing. My first step is to find the alligator. I always want to find the alligator. So I scan through, not an alligator, we don't know what it is, not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator. Oh, there we are, there's our alligator. So I find the alligator and I split the problem apart at the alligator. Now notice, I didn't split the problem apart at the missing portion of the problem, I split the problem apart at the alligator. So now I do the side that I know. I don't know this side because that's blank. So I'll do the side that I know. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Bring down my alligator, and now I need to take care of this side. Now I want to figure out what this missing thing is before I start doing anything. Is it a missing number, is it a missing symbol, or is it a missing alligator? I know it can't be a missing alligator because I already have one. I know it can't be a missing number because it would go number, 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 and that wouldn't make any sense. So it has to be a missing symbol. So my symbol choices are plus, minus, and times at this point. We haven't done division, so we're not plugging that in there. So now I plug each one of those in there and I see what I end up with. If it's plus, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 6 doesn't equal 7, so that can't be it. Is it minus? 2 minus 3 I can't do, so that's not it. Is it times? 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. That works. That gives me my 7 equals 7. And my very last one down here, my first step remains the same. I want to find the alligator. Not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator. We don't know what it is. Not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator, not an alligator. So since there is no alligator seen in this problem, it's a hidden alligator. It's right there. So I split the problem apart at that hidden alligator, and now I know both those sides, so I can do both of those sides. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Bring down my missing alligator. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, and now I can put my alligator in there. The alligator is going to want to eat that side. So always I want to identify where the alligator is first. After I find the alligator, I split the problem apart. Then I do the side that I do the side that I know to figure out the side that I don't know.